Congratulations on your new Ram truck. That's what I'm doing in today's video. If you took delivery on a Ram truck like this one and didn't have the opportunity for a salesperson to go over all the tech features in these new Ram trucks, that's what I'm going to be doing in the video today. So it'll be just like you're sitting right here in the driver's seat. I'm going to be taking you through a walkthrough on how to find all the cool new stuff in your new Ram truck. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, so here it is. We're gonna go ahead and get into the truck and just really stay focused on the infotainment system because that is where a lot of questions come up with my customers. Of course, there's gonna be stuff like this that you need to be aware of, like your lights, you can set them on auto, tons of other things, but like I said, I'm just gonna stay focused on this infotainment system here. So we'll just go ahead and start first by showing you where the vehicle's at, vehicle settings. We're getting into the information really quick here, guys. So you see there what I just did? I went vehicle, settings, display, and then I did dark mode. So you have the ability to switch this screen from light and dark mode, which is pretty handy for night and day, a little easier on the eyes. A really neat feature on this new touchscreen a lot of people don't know about is the ability to take and swipe down on the top here. So you can swipe down on the top, you're gonna have driver profiles, pretty much everything I'm gonna be going over here with you today. You're going to be able to connect up to those driver profiles, like your safety preferences, all those kind of things. That way you can really get the most out of your truck and not have to waste time when you're getting in and out of your truck on the daily basis. So here the home screen, you do have TomTom navigation up here. Makes it super easy for you to expand that. All you got to do is just press this little guy right here, and that's going to make it a full page so you can have a nice big map display there for your TomTom navigation. Pretty sweet. Go back to home there, and then you can see you have two little dots down the bottom. Anytime you see those, you're gonna get this. You have additional pages, and there's a ton of stuff on these trucks. So you can do things like this, where you press that, and then you can press things like this right here, and then it allows you to put a bunch of shortcuts up on the vehicle because, well, there's a lot of stuff. So if you can't remember where it's at, it makes it really easy for you to come back in and have it right up at your fingertips right when you need it. Things like weather reports and so much more stuff in the truck. Next up is going to be your media. So our trucks do come with 3 months of free satellite radio. Your media is all going to be collected here in the same spot. See, right now you have some satellite channels down here. Now, if I were to go to FM and say I love Hot 103 jams. So what's really cool about the new Uconnect 5 system, all of your presets are saved all in the same place. So that makes it really easy for you. Another cool thing too here, you can see you have these icons over here. Like say if you just love AM radio and you know you're gonna listen to AM radio every day, you can pick that little guy up there and replace it with one of the icons. That way when you're over here and playing, your listening preferences will be up and ready to go. That way you don't have to be distracted too much while you're driving. Those other two there, you can see it's pretty obvious. You have speed adjust volume. You can adjust all the volume for different things inside the truck. That way you can really customize your experience inside the truck. Climate control. This is neat here, so you can control your climate up here on both sides of your radio, here from this, and then if you press sync, whatever you do to this side will make the same thing happen over here. And I love this feature here, auto. So this will make the truck work like the thermostat in your house. So now once it gets to 65 degrees, it's just gonna turn off the AC or the heater, whatever it's doing to obtain that temperature and go on with its day. Next up, super cool. Can't really show you this because I'm using my phone, but I gotta tell you about it. So you do have wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. You can hook up like 8 devices at one time on this thing. It's crazy. So you're able to have your driver be the favorite. Every time you get in the vehicle, your phone's automatically going to pair up. That way you'll be ready to hit the road. You're going to be able to see your phone's navigation. You can play with apps like the Waze app and so much more from there. Now this is where most of my customers really spend most of their time, is right here inside the vehicle settings, and then you do have 3 other sub-menus. We'll go over those next. So display, kind of showed you that already here, so you can change the light and dark colors. You can also do things like the theme as well. We're in a Ram right now, so the other Rams that have been out through the past are going to be like Rams like your Ram Rebel. You kind of see like some gridiron behind there. You got the Ram Longhorn. It'll change this to like more of a tan with the grainy leather background, so you have more aesthetics to choose from. Others in there too, like the Limited and stuff like that. You can see how it changed that color to the yellow there for you. Pretty cool stuff. My profile, you can change the language in the trucks. This is neat. So safety and driving assistance. This heavy duty truck's gonna have the ability to stop on a dime, apply the brakes lightning fast. We'll go ahead and turn that active warning system on for you. That is on now, and it will also stop for pedestrians as well. So big old hood of a truck, just in case you're at a crowded event, someone runs out in front of you, you can't see them, the truck will stop for you. You got to make sure you're paying attention to the road at all times though, obviously. You do have GPS inside this truck, so we'll go ahead and sync that clock up with your GPS. That way you don't have to mess around with it and all those kind of things. Phone and Bluetooth. So hey, we already showed you wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. One thing I always mention to my customers while I'm delivering trucks like this is if your phone quits talking to the radio or vice versa, all you got to do is go in here to the device manager. You're going to find your phone in here. There's going to be a little gear icon. Press that, delete that, and then you'll see Uconnect on your phone. And then you delete the Uconnect off your phone, and then just pair them like it's day one again. The reason why that happens is because the trucks do have over-the-air software updates. Pretty cool here. You do have a lot of other stuff down here, like wipers and mirrors automatically come on. A heavy-duty truck, this is really neat stuff. You do have your trailer brake controller in this one, so it's prepared to tow. You can have all your trailers already pre-set up. To help save time, you just select the trailer you're hooking up, boom, hit the road and go. Camera on this one, you do have those rear active guidance lines and the ability to turn that active lock on. Wipers and mirrors, saw that already. And this is all the stuff to do with the lights, like when you get out of your truck at night, how long do you want the lights to stay on, and all that kind of, all those little minute details, stuff like that. So pretty cool stuff. That's going to be your new Ram truck. There is a ton more stuff. These are just some of the key things that I have customers ask me about, and I figured I'd show it to you guys just in case you bought a truck, your salesperson didn't show you it. And if you have any questions, you can check this video out. Send it to somebody you love. Congratulations on your new Ram truck, by the way. Thanks for watching my videos. My name is Mark. If you have any other questions on this one, be sure to let me know, and I'll be sure to answer any and all questions you have. Let's go ahead and hop out and just give it one more walk around so y'all can see the outside of this big, beautiful blue truck before you take it home. Absolutely gorgeous. Check it out. It's the Ram Tradesman off-road package. You got a winch underneath there, off-road packaging, so it's got great suspension on it. You already got running boards from the factory. Awesome, awesome truck. Congratulations on your new Ram truck. And you know, all my customers get my cell phone number, so if you have any questions, let's do a FaceTime and I can help answer any questions you might have.